Hey everybody, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have an unboxing. So I'm super excited about this unboxing because there were three people that I wanted to purchase from that I've been saving up for. And today I received 2 out of the 3, and why? Because Lucy over at Staroar is doing this great this week flash sale, and so I was able to purchase from the other company that I wanted about a month ago. It was a pre-order and I received it today, and then I was able to purchase this one, which I've had my eye on since she posted it on Amazon, and then she also has her own website, and I was super excited. Now, before I open this, I'm keeping the suspense. Her name is Lucy, and it's Staroar, Staroar, and I know you've seen her around on other channels, but I just have been drooling over her crystal artwork. She does do regular drills, special drills, and crystals or rhinestones. And so I can't wait to get more of her work. She does each one of them. She designs kind of where she wants the special drills, where she wants, so she gets the pattern, but then she makes it her own so that we have this special canvas to work on. I love that about her. So I'm super excited to dive in. Go check her out at Star. I'll have the links down below. She has her own website, and that website has all of her stuff that she's doing, and then there's Amazon that has a select couple items with Prime. So I was thankful that this one was offered on Amazon. Otherwise I was going to buy from her website as well, but with the free shipping I had to cheat and go with Amazon. Now it is partially open because my husband thought it was his package because we have a shared Amazon account, and when he saw what was in it, he was like, Jennifer, this isn't mine. I think this is yours. So we're gonna finish opening this, and woo, this is the lion. It was 34 by 45. Super excited. Now, I don't know why, I'm not a big cat person, but this one and the other company, I realized just now that I don't want to break this because this label is so pretty. Just now that I have 2 cats. So, crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Alright, so you get this little brochure. Awesome. And inside is how to start. They have, just kind of some pictures if you're new to diamond painting. And then they have what she uses, round or ABs, square or crystal. Excuse me. It's not a Jennifer video unless I yawn. Good thing I have my coffee. And then on the back, she has this cool little sticker with the numbers that the beads or the drills are, or the symbol, and then she has the symbols, the drill numbers, the diamonds you need, and the diamonds you have. So that's cool. And because it's rhinestone or crystals, it's a little bit different. She doesn't have DMC numbers on here. Okay. What I love is that Lucy sends these sheets of paper that if you don't like the clear, you can get this. Now over on her website, she does offer like a 60 pack that you can buy on your own. So check that out if you're one of these people who likes the poured glue but doesn't like the plastic that comes with the poured glue, and so you can replace it, and she sends you enough that it covers the whole thing. So I haven't ever used this before, but I might try it out. So here's her toolkit. Super excited. You get, and what's fun is this squishy's already on the pen. So I haven't seen that before. You get the blunt tweezers. So I haven't had any of those before. You get a white tray with a funnel. And then this is a multi-placer. I love that they're starting to do the thinner ones. And then you get a straightener. And then she sends enough baggies for all of your diamonds. And then this little guy was hiding. This looks like this is a 4-placer. And this is a 7-placer. Super excited about that. So, haven't gotten some of that stuff before. All right. So we're going to do canvas first. She has a unique way of doing, isn't that gorgeous? Let's just take a moment to celebrate how beautiful that looks, right? Absolutely gorgeous. So she has a unique way that she has designed her canvas. She's got her logo, like her branding up here. She's got the title. This is called Lion. Over here is your symbols, which you also get on here. And then down here, she has your drill area and your fabric size. These are in inches. So let's see how true this is. So we're going to do in inches just because it's here. All right, so it's 15 3/4. And it's 11 3/4 instead of 12. Now, if you flip it over, it's pretty dead on for centimeters of what it's advertised. So it's 30 by 40. So, and then they do the fabric size, which goes end to end from what you see. What's different about Lucy too is that Staroar has this checklist. So down here, she tells you that you, for package, she has DMC, but I don't think they're DMC because they're crystals. But she has like 2, you need 1 package. 3, you need 1 package. DMC 12, you need 1 package, all the way through. So this one, I only need 1 package of each color, so that's why there's ones all across the bottom. And I want to see that up closer. And it also shows how many of each drill I should have. Crinkle, so mute your phones for 30 seconds. So these come in plastic packages, but then she gives you your nice baggies that you can use. So yeah, so this is the red, and then she's got it's like a dark copper. So all these beautiful colors, there's 20 of them. They're all labeled. So I'm going to have so much fun with these. I'm super excited, Lucy. You do such a great job. Thank you so much. She does have some new Christmas stuff out right now, so check that out as well. Down below, I will put the link to both her store and her Amazon page, but also her Instagram. She has an Instagram page, and I love that because she has little videos and different things like that that she shows. So yeah, these colors are absolutely gorgeous. I know it doesn't come across on the video, but it's going to be beautiful to see how this lion turns out. I'm so excited. And I'm just excited to see, like you can see that right in the camera. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait to do it. I don't know where I put it because I don't decorate with lions, but this, I couldn't turn this away. So thank you so much, Staroar, aka Lucy. Thank you for all that you do for the community. For shipping, I would give this a full star. For canvas, 3/4 star. Only I keep explaining that to get a full star is kind of to go above and beyond for canvases. And then for drills, quantity, what I need, everything like that, unless things change, which I'll post after this video, I give a full star. Did I get what I want, like all the measurements and everything? Yes. And would I buy it again? Yes. So that's another star and a star. So I give this 4 3/4 star for the opening first impression review. And once I get it done, I'll do a post review, and then we'll average the stars together for Staroar and see where we go from there. So thank you so much for hanging around. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up and I'll do more. If you want to be a subscriber and you aren't already, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit the bell down below. So we have wonderful, fun things like giveaways and lives and post reviews and Draw with me's and whip and chats, and we just have a lot of fun as a family on this channel. So I would love you to be part of our family. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.